Well, what is up, everybody, and welcome back to another edition of Wisconsin Outdoors. It is a beautiful morning. Sun's just coming up out in the marsh. About 60 degrees, got a pretty stiff south wind. Jumped a few birds on the way in. Hopefully we can shoot our 6 today. Here we go. I see curls, baby. That one sailed, but it was dead as a doornail here. Look at that. Frickin' beauty. Beauty. I believe the other one was a hen. It's pretty dark, so I couldn't really distinguish drakes from hens. But I got me a double. I cannot complain about that. Really, the first birds I've kind of seen. I really haven't seen much for ducks so far. It's only, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes after shooting light. Look at this one right there. Just dumping in. Right in my spread. Dumped right into my spread. Let's see if we can we'll jump shoot this fella. No. Hen mallardo. And I got one in the decoys here somewhere. Where are ya? I believe this one was a hen. Yeah. Drake and a hen. Had a 4-pack just come right in. I could have probably given them one more pass, but they were hovering kind of right above me at 15 yards. You gotta take what you can get. All right, well, that's a good start. They kind of came from behind me. I didn't have a whole lot of time to get the shot cam and the camera on. Came from behind me, I got the camera on. I hit them with the call, and they just banked right over, and they weren't exactly gonna land just there on that pass. Maybe if I gave them another one, like I said. But when they come down like that, and you know, they're 15 yards right above you, you gotta shoot. Got a double. Oh my God, Justin. Oh, and they did it so perfect too. Oh, no excuses there. That was perfect. Maybe I pulled up just a little bit too soon, but I missed all three, same bird. He's not going to. You need to settle down. Thing's coming right to you and you pull up when the thing's at 35 yards like a dummy. It's just another stupid mistake, 2 in a row. Thing's coming right at me. I mean, it's gonna come right to the decoys. I just get excited, pull up way too soon. All right, well, I called it a day. Did not see a whole lot of ducks today, and should have had my mallard limit, but you guys saw my shooting was a little bit off again today. That's not the end of the video. I'm gonna throw in some clips here at the end of some other hunts from last week that weren't as successful. So we'll kind of mix these together and show you a couple of kills from last week. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you want to watch the rest of the footage, it'll be right after this. But yeah, we'll be back out next week. Nice cold front coming through and should push some birds down. So look forward to future videos. You bastards. They kept doing that to me last week too. Yeah, and a drake on the left and a hen on the right. Oh, that's a good sign anyways. Yeah. You can see that, it looks like a decent greenhead on the left. Yeah. I'm telling you, they like the spot, but they did not care about us.
Not enough to join the party.
No. Yeah, they didn't flare or anything. The pheasant hunter up on the hill kind of flared them when they were turning behind us, but yeah, it didn't flare them like bad. I mean, they still landed, obviously.
Right, yeah, it is really.
The biggest problem for us right now is no wind. The birds do that when there's no wind. They just... You ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, short stopped us a little bit, but that's a nice greenhead. Looked up and he was cupped, just coming. Look at them orange feet. I just like, ah! I didn't even know what to say. Well, we got one. I think it was a ringer, but we aren't going to discriminate today. I was just looking through the blackbirds and I was like, that ain't a blackbird. It's coming right at us. Is it a ringer or a teal? I don't know. I didn't have enough time to think.
I don't know what the hell it is. It's not a big duck.
No, it was little. I smoked us a bit. Well, I didn't have time to get the GoPro on. It's a ringer. No, it's a freaking bluebill, dude. Or a bufflehead. Yeah. Little hen buffy. First one of them I've seen this year. Cool. We got one.
1 for 1. Man, 100%.